Welcome to our presentation for Callock. Today, we're thrilled to unveil a cutting-edge messaging platform that redefines digital privacy. Callock is not just a messaging app, it's a secure, decentralized environment where users regain full control over their communications. Let's explore how we are setting a new standard for privacy in the messaging world. These are the contents that I'm going to present in order. Problem identification. In recent years, concerns about the vulnerability of traditional messaging apps relying on centralized servers have surged. Governments and individuals alike are recognizing the need for more secure communication platforms. For example, in 2021, a massive breach exposed over 500 million users' data on Facebook-owned WhatsApp, highlighting the risks of centralized data storage. These incidents underline two key issues. First, the lack of user control over sensitive information, and second, the exposure of metadata, such as timestamps and user identities. Callock directly addresses these concerns with a solution that prioritizes both decentralization and encryption. To solve these issues, we've built Callock by combining two powerful technologies, Calimero and ICP. Calimero provides private shard technology, ensuring that user data remains encrypted and fully controlled. It also establishes a one-to-one mapping between contexts and profiles, allowing users to maintain separate, secure identities within different groups. Meanwhile, ICP delivers a high-speed, decentralized infrastructure, enabling scalable Web3 applications without reliance on traditional cloud servers. ICP also facilitates public connectivity, allowing users to add friends across different groups while maintaining privacy controls. Together, these technologies create a system where all actions in Callock are encrypted through Calimero and securely stored on ICP's blockchain, ensuring both privacy and seamless connectivity. So now let us present our solution, Callock. Callock is a decentralized private messaging platform that ensures secure, flexible communication through Calimero's encryption and ICP's decentralized infrastructure. Unlike traditional apps, Callock allows users to maintain separate identities across different groups, ensuring privacy and control. With end-to-end encryption, peer-to-peer messaging, and token-based access, it eliminates reliance on centralized servers, providing a truly private and scalable messaging experience. There are four main features of our service. First, we've changed context and identity into groups and profiles, improving UI. Second, we've ensured end-to-end encryption for our text messages, where all our text messages are completely guaranteed privacy. Third, we enabled adding friends function by ICP, where we can add friends from other groups into our groups. And lastly, we have completely decentralized our main server, which was also enabled by ICP. Now let us demonstrate these features further by our demo video. Now presenting our service Callock, I'll briefly show a demo of how our application works. We'll first log in using ICP and Calimero, where we use our wallet to log in, ensuring a perfect encryption of our logging in information. When logging in, we can choose a specific context and a specific identity consecutively every time we log in. And after we log in, it will show us this page where there are members of the group that I've just chosen, and they can see the identity that I've set for this group. With this being said, let's talk to Ethan, who's on the top of the list. Now, on this page here are the text messages that Ethan and I have shared previously, and let's respond to him by typing agreed. Then, when we get out of this page, there will be the very last text message that I sent to Ethan on the front page. Now introducing our second feature, which is add friend. Let's add a friend named Claire, which is the name that my friend Claire would have set to her own identity. Then on Claire's screen, which you can see on the right hand side of this page, she can actually accept this friend request. I'm returning back to my own page. Now we can see that Claire has been added to the group members. This function was enabled by ICP. Our third feature is this settings page where you can personalize your profile, including your name and description that others can see under your name when chatting. Based on all the service we have built on Calimero and ICP's SDK, we are currently working on turning this more user-friendly. Hence, let me show you the overwritten layout of the logging in process. In our version, when you log in, you can see the names of the groups instead of the complicated context. And once you select the group, you can then select a specific identity under the name you have set instead of the long addresses like before. This identity would function as multiple profiles you own. Then the rest is the same. Now moving on to our comparative advantage. Why Callock? Let's first start by analyzing one of our existing competitors, Signal. Signal is often considered a gold standard for secure messaging. With over 40 million monthly users, it employs advanced cryptographic protocols to ensure end-to-end encryption. However, Signal still relies on centralized servers, which creates vulnerabilities. In 2022, a server breach exposed metadata, leading to privacy concerns. Callock takes privacy a step further. By leveraging blockchain technology, we eliminate central servers altogether. Additionally, our app encrypts metadata and provides customizable security through token-based features, ensuring a more robust solution for secure communication enabled by Calimero SDK. Now moving on to market analysis. Web3 messaging apps currently hold only 10% of the market, but with privacy concerns driving demand, this segment is projected to grow significantly. Callock is perfectly positioned to lead this expansion with its advanced features and complete decentralization. The table on the right-hand side shows how Callock outperforms both Web2 and Web3 messaging apps. While apps like Telegram and WhatsApp lack decentralization, Signal partially addresses this, but it still relies on centralized servers. While Callock ensures 100% decentralization and privacy, including the main server itself. Moving on to target customers. Privacy-conscious messaging is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Callock is designed to meet the needs of diverse user groups who prioritize security and personalization. This service can be applied to absolutely anyone, but here are some specific groups that can benefit the most. So firstly, it's healthcare professionals. Doctors and nurses can use separate profiles for different departments, ensuring confidentiality and organizational clarity. Second, it's legal teams. Lawyers can create client-specific groups to maintain case-specific confidentiality. Third, activists. They can secure an anonymous group's participation protects identities and ensures safe coordination. Lastly, everyday users can also use this. They can utilize separate profiles for work, family, and friends to offer personalized and secure communication. Callock's group-based multi-profile functionality adapts seamlessly to these needs, delivering flexibility and unmatched privacy. And here are the milestones and the timeline for us to proceed from now. To close, Callock represents a bold step forward in secure communication. We're not just creating a messaging app, but redefining digital privacy. Our vision is to empower users with full control over their data in a world where privacy is no longer a luxury, but a standard. Thank you for your time, and let's build a safer communication ecosystem together. Thank you.